I'm going to show you a weird trick that's going to allow you to make $100 per day with ClickBank. People who are literally begging for the solution that your product provides that's going to go ahead and give you guys so many leads, so many prospects, so many commissions, and so much money. Let's dig in. Alright guys, so let's get right to the good stuff. Before we actually step behind the laptop, first and foremost, if this is your first time coming across your boy, my name is Eric Ellis Jr. I'm a six-figure digital entrepreneur, and I teach people like you how to crush it online and how to get to that next level in their business to help transform their life. Now, if you like that type of stuff, go ahead and smash that subscribers button and hit that notifications bell and join the family. Number two, I'm actually giving you access to a funnel. Guys, they charge anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 to create funnels. I'm going to go ahead and give one access to you absolutely free. If you click the first link in the description, it's simply going to go ahead and give you guys the opportunity to capture leads, right, and turn those leads into dollar bills. Now, without further ado, let's get right into this simple trick and let's step behind the laptop. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and actually get into this weird trick to make $100 per day with ClickBank. But before we do, there is a link in the description, the first link in the description, that you guys can actually get access to my copy, paste, profit funnel. And this is just going to allow you to be able to capture leads, follow up with those leads, and 10x your return on your investment with your affiliate marketing business. So go ahead and grab that down below. But let's get into the madness. Now, first and foremost, I'm not going to go into this isn't like a beginner's guide. This is if you're already doing ClickBank and you're looking for a different strategy. So we're going to go into the marketplace, and then we're just going to go and get right to it and show you guys this weird trick, right? So first and foremost, what I'm going to teach you guys how to do is literally use Twitter. And you're like, what, Twitter? How the hell am I going to make money with Twitter? Now, if any of you guys know, right, me personally, I prefer passive income, right, not active income. But some people don't care, right? So for those people who aren't into the passive income, meaning driving traffic on autopilot and like using Facebook ads or YouTube SEO or things along those lines, and they're okay with active income, meaning they're willing to hustle and bustle and do what they got to do to get results, right? This method might be for you, right? So for this example, we'll just show you guys how we can use the weight loss niche, right? And this weird trick, I guarantee you've never came across it before, right? Because nobody teaches this. And basically, first and foremost is obviously getting your link. But before we even talk about getting your link, right, what is the method, right? Now, if you don't have a Twitter account, figure it out. If you do have a Twitter account, great, right? But all we're doing, guys, is literally typing in keywords to Twitter. And believe it or not, what happens when you type in keywords to Twitter, it pulls up tweets that have that keyword in it. So an example, I typed in how to lose weight. And if you look, Caroline Elizabeth, literally September 7th, says, someone teach me how to lose weight. Gotta set my goal, wait before my wedding. Guys, if this isn't a targeted lead, I don't know what is, right? So what I would do is say, oh, let me go ahead and swaggy fish. See, I'm not even good at Twitter, right? But what I would personally do, guys, is I would direct message her, right? So however that works, whether you got to follow her, if you can't actually direct message, I'm not sure if it's allowing me to direct message. Let me add in her name, Caroline Elizabeth. Let me see if that comes up. Caroline Elizabeth. Okay. What is it? Swaggy Fish 7. Swaggy Fish 7. Okay, it's not coming up. But guys, basically, what I would do is add this person, right? Once I add them, I'm simply going to go ahead and send them a message. Obviously, they're active. Obviously, they'll accept. And guys, don't bombard this freaking this girl because I just created this video. Find somebody else, right? And then there's plenty. Look, if I just go down, there's plenty of people there's plenty of content where people are talking about this like active September 9th, right? Want to know how to lose weight, so she's actually promoting something. I need to lose weight. How to lose weight, right? Look, September 8th. This person. Who else? Guys, but what I'm trying to get at is there's plenty of people who Twitter is basically people talking about their thoughts, right? So if somebody's thinking at that moment, dang, I need to lose weight, you can simply, they're a qualified prospect. You reach out to them, you direct message them, and here's the script, guys, because a lot of you guys do not know how to sell, and I sell for a living. That's what I used to do, right? So I'll go ahead and give you guys how I would approach this girl, right? Or any lead, rather. So what I would say is, hey, how's it going? I'm just going to act as if the girl's name is Gabby. Hey, how's it going, Gabby? My name is Eric. I know, quite random, but I noticed you recently dropped a tweet about needing to lose weight. My sister, and guys, this is actually true, but I mean, marketers are storytellers, so you can create your own story that just makes sense. So my sister is actually a personal, I'm not even going to say it. I'm actually going to create a story. So my sister has actually been getting results with this weird diet. Let me know if you want the details. Look forward to helping you out. So this is what I'm going to send, right? Look forward to helping you out. Boom, drop that. Now, guys, at the end of the day, this doesn't just go for the weight loss niche, right? This goes for all niches. An example is how to make money online, right? So if you have how to make money online products on ClickBank, how to make money online, a thread on how to make extra money online. This one is how to make money online with zero. A question I'll never be able to figure out. Cool, boom, message them. You find people who are typing this stuff, you message them, right? Pre-prospect them. Once you message them, you wait for a response. Once you wait for that response, then you're going to go ahead and actually drop them the link because they literally just gave you permission. We're not spamming links. We're literally prospecting people who are targeted, who are actually mentioning this keyword. We're sending them just kind of like an introduction message saying, hey, I might be able to help you out. And then if they respond, you simply go ahead and drop your link and you say, check this out. Boom. And then what you're going to do is you're going to follow up in 30 minutes to an hour and say, hey, how's it going? Have you had a chance to check out the link? No, I haven't. Cool. I'll follow up with you later. Boom. Follow up the next day. See if they're interested. Rinse and repeat, guys. Now, I stated before, this isn't passive, but it's active. But imagine if I was to go ahead and sell 3 of these per day by doing this method, and these people are highly targeted, I would easily make $100 per day. 34.73 times 3 is over $100, right? So guys, I mean, it's very targeted prospects. And I mean, these people are literally begging for your solution. And this isn't just for weight loss, this is for all niches on ClickBank. And do not knock it till you try it. Go ahead and try it. See if it works. If it works, go ahead and drop a comment down below. Send me a thank you message. Send me something, right? Because I love seeing these testimonials and seeing that my content has actually helped people out, right? So with that being said, guys, that's a weird trick. It's highly targeted traffic. It's not passive. It's active, but you're still going to be making money on ClickBank. And imagine if you just spend 2 hours per day sending out messages. It beats a 9 to 5. You're making $100 only working 2 hours per day, right? So hopefully that helps, and that is that weird trick that's going to help you guys make $100 per day on ClickBank. So if you liked that video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, punch it in the face, show your boy some love because it means a lot to me. Number 2, I stated before, guys, join the family, right? Join the squad, join the fam, join the entourage. Hit that subscribers button and hit that notifications bell so you can be notified as soon as I go ahead and drop some content. And I stated before, guys, grab that funnel, the copy paste part of the funnel. copypastepowerfunnel.com, or hit the first link in the description. Grab access to that funnel, guys. Guys, it takes days to create funnels. I created one for you for free, right? So take advantage while you can and grab that by clicking the first link in the description. And anything else that you need as an affiliate, there is a resources section down below. Now, I appreciate you guys. Hopefully you gained value from that video. If you did, hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell. And I appreciate you guys. As always, Eric Ellis Jr.